How to fix JBL Charge for not charging. Hello everyone, welcome to this video where I'm going to give you some of the methods that would help you to easily fix this issue. First of all, you just have to checking the power source. So when you face the JBL Charge for not charging issue, you need to check the power sources. So you should find out if there is any error with the power sources. You can try to connect with the device with other power source. Afterwards, you need to verify the charging cable. So you need to verify that the charging cable can help you to determine whether the problems are with the charging cable. If you can determine that the problem is with the charging cable, then try to replace the charging cable for better performance. After months of use, the dust and the debris accumulate in the charging port and block it from the charging connection. So you should clean the charging ports with the required material gently in order to avoid any scratches of it. Next, what you can do is you can try the firmware update. So the JBL company brings different updates in its software to increase the device compatibility and functionality. So you can check for the latest update firmwares on the JBL Connect app, and you can even download the latest update and install it to increase its overall functionality. Lastly, what you can do is you can try solving the battery issues. So JBL Charge Force may not charge due to the battery damage. So you should check the battery status properly. If you feel that the not charging issue is with the battery due to damage, then you just have to try to replace the battery with the new one to increase its performance. Therefore, when you face the JBL Charge for no charging issue, you should try the above strategies and the solution. If the problem still persists, then try to reach the customer support team of JBL for better services and repair. So in order to contact with the JBL customer service, you just have to come to the jbl.com, which is in the official website of it. Here you need to click on the support option in the top right hand corner and click on the chat with us option. After that, you can try to contact with the JBL customer support team for further assistance in this regard. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, then don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.